Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.37. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 21%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.05% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks below the bottom trend line at $16.72, it would signal a strong sell and suggest a shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.26% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 7.96% to positive 45.50%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 11.42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 63.30% and positive 131.27% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price ranging from $6.68 to $42.11. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after gaining 1.79%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 1.79% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. The price rose from $17.89 to $18.21. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.15%, with a low of $18.10 and a high of $18.67. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, down by 14.18% during this period. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $160,420,000. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 66.7%, or $36.47, below the 52-week high, and 77.06%, or $61.17, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media's stock, DJT, is currently experiencing a significant downtrend, returning to its pre-merger price of approximately $17.50, effectively wiping out most of the gains it had made earlier. This performance comes alongside an announcement of a $400 million stock buyback initiative. The buyback is designed to potentially reduce the shares outstanding by 10%, which could lead to an increase in earnings per share, thereby providing a positive signal to investors. Despite the timely buyback, DJT has struggled in the market, with shares down over 45% year to date. The company is also attempting to enhance its profile through major engagements with cryptocurrencies, including the proposed introduction of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. However, these strategies have yet to yield a noticeable recovery in stock performance. The current market sentiment surrounding DJT may be influenced by these mixed signals, an aggressive buyback program offering some potential uplift in short-term value against a backdrop of declining stock price and broader cryptocurrency market trends. In the short term, the effectiveness of the buyback in restoring investor confidence will be critical. Long-term implications hinge on the success of their cryptocurrency ventures and how effectively they can navigate market volatility while rebuilding trust among investors. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and view the price-to-book ratio in the same light. For return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.13%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day. Even with rising prices, this discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close observation. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which might influence short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $18.46 and $22.29. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between a short and long moving averages, buy signal from 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 93 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 88 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support at $17.89, presenting a potential buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the trading day and carries a considerable prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as high risk. Over the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 570 cents, reflecting a change of 3.15%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.89. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider purchase of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider purchase of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider purchase of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider purchase of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan made another insider purchase of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of 98.008. Overall, insiders purchased 36 million shares and sold none in the last 69 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals and is situated within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, June 25th, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 11.7 cents and begin trading at $18.33. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.